Hello you guys, I just woke up a bit ago and I'm very hungry, so we're gonna start by making an egg. But I wanted to bring you guys along with me today. I'm just going to be doing like a little day in my life, work day in my life thing, what I do in a day, things like that. I'll figure out the title later, but anyways, we're gonna start by making a scrambled egg. When I cook peppers, I like to season them with this stuff. It's called Mrs. Dash. It just has like an original blend of like almost everything. And then I use garlic salt on them and paprika because I like them a bit spicy, but this doesn't really do much, so I feel like it doesn't really matter if I skip it or not, but like it's kind of there. So we're adding garlic salt, Mrs. Dash, and paprika. While those cook right there, I'm gonna start by making the eggs. So we're just gonna grab some eggs in my fridge. And now we eat. Ta-da! Lately, I've been getting super dizzy and I don't know why. I don't know if it's food related or not, or just like another medical thing, but I've been trying to eat a lot better and healthier, so now we're making eggs. So normally now I just like eat my food, I sit on my phone, scroll through emails, TikTok, Instagram, all of that stuff. Nothing too fun, so I'm gonna go do that. Hi Zoe! Eat your breakfast. Yummy. Mangez-le. Yay. Oh. I now present to you noises my dog makes. Alright, so it's like 12:30, 12:40, almost 1 o'clock. So right now I need to start editing Ashley's video. I need to get out her second cut to her. She's going to receive it sometime this afternoon or later this evening. And then after I finish that, I'm going to go to Tim Hortons. We're going to take a coffee break because I need it so badly. And then after that, I have to do my other job. I'm editing like a webinar. I should get it around like 3 or 4 maybe. So hopefully I'm done Ashley's video by then. But yeah, my day's pretty packed. I kind of just edit her videos on my bed because I use my laptop. So I have this table that I bought on Amazon, and then my laptop just goes on top of it. Here's my laptop. My case was so disgusting I had to take it off, but that just goes there. And this is the hard drive I use for Ashley's. This is like my larger one, and then I use this one for my own videos. But this one has more space on it, and her videos are much more like gigabytes, so I use my larger hard drive. And then I need my glasses because I'm practically blind when it comes to editing now. Like my vision is just so bad. Staring at a computer screen for multiple hours in a day has just completely ruined my eyesight. I won't go in. So I can't really show you guys this one, but she basically just sent me over edits and changes she wants done. So I'm just gonna go do that. And then one of them is actually like a little overlay. I have to make a new one. So I thought I would show you guys how I do that because it's one of my favorite graphics I just use in my videos. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did that. So the first step is finding an image that I want to use. So I just need to basically find an image of the teeth whitening pen. All right, so once it's in a Photoshop, we're just gonna take it off as the background. And then basically I just use the magic wand tool and I'm going to erase the background, but this one might be a bit too white to be able to do it clearly. Yeah, so I might just have to do it manually. So this is the layer that I use. This is the box. I'm just going to copy this. So once I paste it there, I'm just going to go drag in the PNG that we just made. I'm then just going to size it down to fit inside of the box. Now we're going to go add some text. And there we go. Alright, so once I have this made, I just highlight them all and then I turn it into a compound clip so it is all in one clip. So to keyframe this to come in and out, basically I'm going to highlight the clip and I'm going to count 10 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to drop a position keyframe here because that's where I want it to land. I'm going to go back to the start and I'm going to keyframe it to be out of the screen, just like that, and then we're gonna play it and it slides in. After that, to keyframe it out, we're going to keyframe 10 frames back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're then just going to drop another position keyframe here, go all the way to the end, back 1, and keyframe it out. So then it plays straight through like this and comes out. Nice. So that's basically how I did that graphic for Ashley's video and my video bit. But anyways, I'm just gonna do the rest of her edits and then we're gonna go get some coffee. Alright, once all my edits are done, we go up here and we're gonna export it and then I'm gonna send it off to her. While Ashley's video is uploading, before I can send it to her, it's like 16 minutes left or something, I'm gonna go run and grab coffee in the pouring rain because I'm desperate and quenched. Is quenched thirsty? Or is that, no, that's parched. Parched mean, parched? Quenched? I don't know, help me. I literally only know those words because of Nintendogs and they would always be like quenched or parched when they were drinking water, so I still don't know what they are to this day, but you know, just help me out in the comments down below, thanks. I hate the rain, I hate the rain, I hate the outdoors. Hello from my car. I literally have not driven in over like a week and a half or so just because of like all my head issues, but now I'm finally driving. Ew, my dog's fur is stuck in the seatbelt. Ew. It's stuck on me. Okay, anyways, we're now driving. I'm good to drive again. It was a long week and a half of my head just purely spinning, but I think we're good now. All right, we're gonna drive to Tim's. Unfortunately, I can't film it because my camera's gonna fall and then probably break, which is gonna be really sad. So I'll tell you guys when we get there.
Hi, my good daughter.
Hi, just a medium iced coffee, please.
Medium iced coffee, anything else?
No, thank you.
$2.10, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We got it! Yay! Alright, so I literally, after I ate, I just kept watching Hunter x Hunter. It was getting really good. But it is now at 3:15 and my like full-time corporate job people, they sent me my work to do, so I'll probably just be doing that for like the next hour and a half maybe. I don't know, sometimes it takes a different amount of time, but we're gonna go do that. Do you guys like my desktop? It's Howl's Moving Castle. Alright, so I just finished this webinar right now. It actually took way less time than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like an hour and 30 minutes. It literally only took me like 20-30 minutes. It was really fast. There was only one person I had to like mask out. Then I just need to upload that online, send them the clips to review, and then I basically done this work for the day. I might go do my own YouTube editing. I'm not sure. I'm kind of stuck on a video that I'm trying to edit right now, and like I just lost inspo to edit it. Sometimes that happens. I have a couple videos that I just gave up on editing, but I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but I'll figure it out. You guys, I bought new sweatpants a while ago. I went to Urban Planet. They were having a buy one get one for $1 sale, and I just had to like take advantage of it because I need pants for lounging around, like sweatpants. So anyways, I got these brown ones. They're so cute, and I feel like I look like a Neapolitan ice cream bar, you know, like the pink, the brown, the white. I also got them in pink. The pink is in the washer right now. I haven't done like a light load of laundry yet, but anyways, I can't wait to wear them. Real talk, I keep seeing Notion tours, Notion setups all over my YouTube feed, and I really want to just see what like the hype is and like what about it is like so popular, and I kind of just want to try it out because as much as I love productivity, I kind of suck at it. I honestly just use the notes app in my phone and calendar app, and like that's pretty good for me. I have lists for everything, like what days I wash my hair, what animes to watch, what K-dramas to watch, what ones I have watched. I kind of want to like categorize it all into one. So this isn't sponsored by Notion at all. I literally wish. I do want to test it out, so we're gonna try and make like a little setup thing, see what the big hype is, and yeah, well, let's go do that. Me using my work computer for YouTube stuff. Alright, obviously we're gonna be trying this for free. Alright, so they were nice enough to give me the basics, so I'm just gonna go read over this, maybe watch a few videos, and hopefully I'll be able to create my own Notion template or something like that. Okay, so for the first page, I think I'm just going to do something super simple. Something I always have in my notes is going to be animes to watch and animes I have watched. That's something I just keep in my notes app for sure. So that seems easy enough. So I guess we're going to go create it.
I also redesigned my personal homepage. The homepage thing, I just called it Emily's in Notion. And then I did a little page for YouTube sponsorships.
So I gave up with Notion because it stressed me out and I couldn't figure it out. So I might go back and do that another day or just never touch it again. I don't know yet. We'll see what I'm feeling like tomorrow. But anyways, I have to go to the chiropractor now to get my back cracked because I have a bad neck and bad ribs. So we're gonna go get that figured out soon.
Why is it cold? Ugh.
But then after that, I'm gonna force myself to edit the YouTube video I gave up editing. Hello, it's literally a whole new day now. It's actually the evening. All today, all I did was, actually I had to go into Toronto and then I had to go pick up a bunch of camera equipment and now it's all just charging in my living room downstairs because I have a shoot that I have to do on Sunday and then I'm also taking pictures on Saturday. My weekend is so busy. I have absolutely done zero work on my YouTube video because I just keep watching Hunter x Hunter and it's so good. I'm already like almost done season 4 at this point. I'm almost on season 5. It's so good. I just finished the Great Island arc kind of thing. It's very close to ending. They just did like a dodgeball tournament. Anyways, I'm probably gonna go edit this video that you guys are watching. My laptop is right here. I need to start doing work, but I can't stop watching this. I can't stop watching the show. It's so good, but like I need to edit, but I want to watch it. I can't decide. Anyways, I'm really tired. I was supposed to clean my bathroom today, but I never ended up doing that either because I was like out all day. And then I came home and I had a headache because I didn't eat food in the afternoon or morning. Basically, I only had like cereal. So then I was so hungry and like decaffeinated and tired, and then I passed out and had a shower, and then I just ate dinner. And now I'm here, slightly more energized, but like I don't want to edit, but I think I have to edit. You'll probably see me editing in the next clip. I'm finally editing. Goodbye, guys.